Witness the dawn of harvest as nature's sweet bounty awakens under the sun.
Acres of emerald vines stretch endlessly, tended by hands that know the earth.
Skilled hands meticulously select each watermelon, ensuring only peak ripeness is chosen.
Ideally synchronized teamwork sets the pace as the harvest begins with precision. A clean, decisive cut separates the fruit, sealing in that sugary nectar.
The journey begins, transporting nature's heavy treasure from field to facility.
State-of-the-art facilities await, ready to transform raw fruit into pure refreshment. Thousands of melons arrive, beginning their transformation through our advanced processing line. A refreshing plunge into purified water begins the thorough cleansing process. Submerged and weightless, every inch of the rind is prepared for perfection.
High-pressure jets strip away the field, leaving only the pristine green surface.
Gentle yet effective scrubbing ensures absolute cleanliness before the fruit moves forward. Expert eyes monitor every stage, guaranteeing quality that meets our highest standards.
Real-time data tracking ensures precision and consistency in every single batch. Perfectly aligned and glistening, the fruit marches onward to the inspection zone.
Advanced laser technology measures every dimension, selecting only the ideal candidates. Gentle robotics handle the heavy fruit with the delicacy of a human hand. Precision placement prepares the fruit for the most critical step of all. Razor-sharp blades descend with surgical accuracy, ready to reveal the hidden color. In a split second, the vibrant, juicy heart of the watermelon is revealed. Vibrant red and perfectly ripe, the aroma of freshness fills the air.
A river of red moves seamlessly through the sterile, temperature-controlled environment.
Rigorous testing confirms the texture is crisp and the sweetness is perfect. Automated scoops extract the heart of the fruit, leaving no waste behind.
The pure fruit pulp is gathered, ready to be transformed into liquid gold. Every part has a purpose. Rinds are collected for sustainable recycling solutions. Powerful grinders break down the pulp, releasing every drop of hydrating potential.
Advanced filtration separates the seeds, ensuring a smooth and seedless experience.
Collected seeds are saved, perhaps to grow the next generation of crops.
Cold pressing extracts the juice without heat, preserving vital nutrients and flavor.
Pure, translucent, and vibrant, this is the essence of summer in a glass.
Quality assurance checks color and clarity to guarantee a premium product.
Microscopic analysis confirms the perfect balance of natural sugars and hydration.
Advanced pasteurization ensures safety while locking in that fresh-picked taste. The juice flows rapidly through our sterile piping network toward the bottling line.
Pristine glass bottles line up, awaiting the infusion of ruby red vitality.
Precision filling nozzles dispense the exact amount of juice into every bottle.
Sealed instantly to capture the freshness, ensuring it lasts until the first sip.
Vibrant labels are applied with speed, carrying our promise of quality freshness. Chilled to perfection, the bottle is now ready to refresh the world.
Robotic packers assemble the carriers, preparing the juice for its journey home.
Efficiency meets excellence on a production floor that never stops moving.
Meanwhile, premium cuts of fruit head to the dicing line for snacking.
Long strips are carved with geometric precision, ensuring uniform texture and size. Cross-cutting technology creates the perfect bite-sized cube for easy enjoyment.
Juicy, crisp, and vibrant, these cubes are the definition of fresh snacking.
Smart weighing systems dispense the exact portion into every single cup. Hermetically sealed to lock in the atmosphere and prevent any spoilage. Human hands verify the seal integrity, adding a personal touch to automation. Automated packing ensures every cubic inch is utilized for safe and efficient transport. Every package is dated and coded, tracing its journey from farm to fork.
Heavy lifting is made easy, preparing the palate for its cold journey ahead. A winter wonderland keeps our product at the peak of freshness before shipping. The cold chain remains unbroken as we load the refrigerated fleet for delivery.
Securely locked and loaded, the shipment is ready to hit the open road.
Through the night, our fleet moves tirelessly to bring the morning harvest to you.
Arrival at dawn ensures the shelves are stocked before the first customer walks in.
From our factory to your local store, the vibrant red color catches every eye.
Chilled and ready to eat, the fruit cups offer an instant burst of summer.
The final choice is yours, a healthy, hydrating decision for a busy lifestyle.
Back at the source, the simple pleasure of a fresh slice is the ultimate reward.
Nothing beats the taste of hard work and nature's sugar on a hot day.
We bridge the gap between the wild field and the modern bottle seamlessly. Versatile and vibrant, our watermelon essence inspires creativity in every refreshing glass.
We take pride in transparency, showing the world how true quality is engineered.
The digital brain of our operation monitors efficiency and safety 24/7. Every night, the facility is reset to pristine conditions for the next day's run. The cycle begins again, with water and sunlight nourishing the next generation of fruit.
Nature's tiny workers are the unsung heroes, essential for every single melon grown.
Patience is key as the fruit swells, absorbing the energy of the earth.
Sustainable farming practices ensure our land remains fertile for decades to come. Acoustic sensors listen to the fruit, ensuring the density is absolutely perfect.
Nothing is wasted. Imperfect fruit finds new life as feed or compost.
We return nutrients to the soil, completing the circle of sustainable agriculture. Microbiology labs work tirelessly to guarantee safety in every delicious drop. We chase the perfect number, ensuring that signature sweetness is always consistent. Innovative blends create new flavor profiles, adding a zesty twist to tradition.
Only the perfect weight makes the cut, guaranteeing you get what you pay for.
Geometric precision turns nature's round shapes into convenient, bite-sized enjoyment.
Our product looks as good as it tastes, ready for its close-up. Our team is fueled by passion and the very product they help create.
The work never stops, driven by a commitment to deliver freshness worldwide.
Continuous improvement drives us to design smarter, faster, and safer production lines. Investing in the future means building the technology to feed the next generation. Vigilance ensures that our high standards of safety are never compromised.
Like a well-oiled machine, every component plays a vital role in our success. Unveiling the raw materials that will soon hold the essence of our harvest.
Sterilization provides a clean slate, ensuring purity before the filling begins. Precision valves prevent waste, treating every drop of juice like liquid ruby. Rapid response teams address any issue instantly, keeping the line moving smooth.
Expert problem solving. Expert problem solving ensures that downtime is merely a fleeting moment. Rigorous stress testing proves our packaging can handle the journey to your home.
High-speed packaging ensures the product is protected and ready for the pallet.
Traceability is stamped on every bottle, a mark of accountability and trust. Our massive inventory capabilities ensure we can meet demand in any season. Wrapped tight for security, the load is stabilized for the long haul. The doors open to the world, bridging our facility with the global market. A digital handshake seals the deal, transferring custody to our logistics partners. Share the joy of pure refreshment with the ones who matter most. Keep it ice cold for that crisp, invigorating experience on a hot day. Elevate your evenings with the versatile, vibrant flavor of real watermelon.
Start your morning with a bowl full of color, nutrition, and natural energy.
As the sun sets, the land rests, preparing to give again tomorrow.
Honest work deserves a moment of cool relief at the end of the day.
While the world sleeps, our dedication shines bright, preparing for tomorrow. Care and maintenance in the quiet hours ensure perfection when the line starts.
Safety is not just a protocol. It is the foundation of everything we do.
These helmets represent the diverse and dedicated team behind every single bottle.
Pure, simple, and delicious. This is the promise we keep in every package.
From our fields to your family, thank you for being part of our harvest.
Farm to table freshness. Taste the difference that true dedication makes.